Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send TRX from Kucoin to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving landscape of exchanges. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch platforms, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Kucoin and Gemini set up, and that you've verified your identities. Security is key in 2025. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section, where you'll see all your cryptocurrencies listed. Find TRX in your balance and click on it. Next, select the Withdraw option. This is where things get exciting. Double-check that you're on the correct network for TRX, which is usually the Tron network, to avoid any mishaps. Now, for Step 2, you'll need to get your Gemini deposit address. Hop over to your Gemini account, go to the Deposit section, and select TRX. Copy that address carefully. It's like a digital lock and key. Back on Kucoin, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to send, but remember to account for any network fees, which can vary in 2025 based on blockchain congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're good, click withdraw and wait for the confirmation emails or on-screen notifications. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Tron network's speed. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log back into Gemini and check your wallet to ensure your TRX has arrived. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have solid support teams. And there you go. That's how you seamlessly send TRX from Kucoin to Gemini in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.